Earlier tonight, Mayor Scott walked with community members through Druid Hill Park, taking questions on the city's new preliminary budget and where that money will go, with a lot of focus on crime and safety for the summer, but also the city's future. WJZ Live at 11 o'clock tonight. Drew Unks on your corner. Drew, this proposal put millions back into the city's recreational program, something parents have really been pushing for.
Yeah, $45 million is slated for recreation. It's a move the mayor hopes will have a positive impact on the community's future, and one people at the walk seem to be behind. Baltimore City Mayor Brandon Scott and members of his cabinet walking through the Druid Hill Park community and talking with community members Monday night.
We're going to stop again, so you don't have to now, but if you have one, you can ask it now.
The mayor took questions on the city's preliminary budget, a big focus during Monday night's community walk, investments in recreations for the city's young people, including a proposed new sports complex projected to cost $20 million. What do you say to people that say maybe this money should have gone somewhere else?
Well, I think that what I would say is that we've seen what happens when it goes everywhere else. We've seen what happens when neighborhoods are disinvested in. And when we know that many of these rec centers are in some of our neighborhoods where redlining was first used, and that we're now putting historic amounts of money into those neighborhoods that were purposely disinvested in, that's where it should go.
Some neighbors tell WJZ they're excited about the idea of new investments.
Recreation means the world to not only children, but their families and adults and elderly who are aging in place in our communities.
But also want to make sure the city's history is preserved.
As we move and we change in our community, it's wonderful, and we don't want to hold anything back. But we can't do that at the detriment to the built environment.
Others wanted to make sure their older neighbors were not forgotten about in this budget.
What are some of those things to kind of help create community, just to continue a social support system for older adults?
Yeah, people always think that our recreation centers, the new ones, are only for young people. They're for older adults too. This is why we open them early in the morning.
If you still want to make your voice heard on this preliminary budget, you still have a chance. Wednesday, April 22nd is taxpayer night. They will be hearing from the community then. A final budget needs to be voted in by July 1st. Live tonight on your corner in Baltimore, Drew Ungst for WJZ.
Yeah, still some time to take that public input. Drew, thank you.